Hi, I'm Randy with BBQGuys.com. Today we're taking a look at the DCS 30-inch gas grill. This model we have here today comes with the infrared rear burner and the rotisserie. Now, you can order this grill without those features, but the cooking system is exactly the same. Let's take a look inside. If you decide to include the rotisserie kit on this grill, you'll enjoy a high-powered grilling light to aid during nighttime cooks. I like that this is mounted on the exterior of the grill, keeping the lens out of the direct line of smoke for a clear view. The rotisserie motor can turn up to 50 pounds in front of the 14,000 BTU rear infrared burner. I love having a rotisserie on my gas grill, especially when it comes to entertaining. This frees you up from having to constantly monitor the progress, and it's sure to impress. This roasted veg came out great with all of that flavor dripping down during the cook. When it comes to your main grilling area, the cooking surface on this grill measures 22 inches deep by 26 1/4 wide. The cooking grids are 304 stainless steel rods for maximum durability and heat retention. Whether you are grilling some burgers or searing steak, these grids will produce some really nice marks. Under the cooking grids, you'll find their radiant ceramic rod trays. This is a feature that brings the cooking performance of DCS to the next level. They sit directly above the burner, providing even heat distribution throughout the grilling surface. The ceramic rods have a hollow design, allowing the hot air inside to spread quickly throughout the rods for a quick and even preheat. To see how well these radiant rods worked, I cooked a large batch of burgers over the whole surface of the grill. In addition to even heat, I noticed how well the rod trays controlled flare-ups while grilling. A lot of grills claim they are designed for even heat, but to me, seeing how these burgers turned out is believing. The ceramic rods are held securely in a 304 stainless steel tray, allowing you to simply flip the whole tray over when you want to burn off the rods when it's time to clean them. Underneath the rod trays of the DCS 30-inch grill, you will find two 304 stainless steel U-shaped burners lit by battery-powered ignition. Each burner is rated for 25,000 BTUs of cooking power. Guys, this grill gets hot fast, allowing you to reach searing temperatures in a matter of minutes. Not only did we get great grill marks on these steaks, but I also noticed some added caramelization between the grill marks due to the heat coming off of the radiant rods. With DCS, your backup ignition is covered as well with flash tubes on both sides of the grill. Other nice features of the DCS 30-inch include a removable warming rack for extra grilling space, a hood-mounted thermometer for monitoring your cooking temperature, and a full-width drip pan for easy cleaning. The DCS 30-inch grill can be configured as a built-in or on a cart. For freestanding models, DCS offers a double side burner accessory, which has become a popular addition for adding cooking versatility. Each burner is rated for 17,000 BTUs and has an impressive low end. This makes it great for simmering sauces and cooking sides. When not in use, the side burner comes with a stainless steel lid to protect the burners from the elements. If you want additional prep space, the DCS CAD Cart has an optional folding side shelf accessory as well. For DCS grills on the CAD Cart design, you will find two storage drawers. The left drawer has two sliding storage shelves inside for organization. The lower portion of the drawer can be used as an ice well and has a drain plug. The right drawer of the CAD Cart is a propane storage drawer. Each drawer features additional support underneath, which accommodates heavier loads. Now we'll perform our XRF test on the DCS 30-inch gas grill. The cooking grids, burners, firebox, flame tamer trays, control panel, drip pan, and both sides of the grill lid tested to be 304 stainless steel. Thanks for watching today, guys, and if you have any questions about DCS, give our experts a call or visit us online. And remember, at BBQGuys.com, we smoke the competition.